My name is Jason Erdreich from Makera. I'm the Education Director and working with our schools and teachers, but I'm super excited to be standing next to the Carvera desktop CNC, our desktop industrial performing CNC machine that works a wide range of materials, from your soft materials even to working with things like solid aluminum at a very high resolution and high detail. What really sets this machine apart is that it has a built-in automatic tool changer, so it'll switch between 6 different tools autonomously. It also has a built-in vacuum, built-in laser engraver, and a number of features that make auto calibration, auto leveling incredibly intuitive for the user. You can do a wide range of projects with this machine, including working with a 4th axis module. So the 4th axis would allow you to put in round or square stock and then machine incredibly precise and geometrically challenging parts like this turbine. And you could even use both the laser and the mill head simultaneously to do something like the solder mask encoded PCB, even 2-sided PCBs. So this machine has been out for about 2 years now. We have 2,500 of these all over the world and a hugely active Discord community, which motivated us to create a smaller, more entry-level desktop CNC, which we revealed here at CES, called the Carvera Air. It gives you a very similar size and 4th axis capability. You lose the tool changer and some of the really high precision. However, it's a much more affordable cost for DIYers and creators to get into the world of subtractive manufacturing. And like the Carvera, all of our machines are open source firmware and works with every CAM program and any software that you want to utilize as you create awesome things. It's toolless tool changer. It's just this wrench. This also does the auto leveling and auto probing. So here's your probe. So this loads like a tool. That's how it figures out your Z height. The Carvera does that too. It just does it automatically, so it picks up the probe. This one you load like a tool, let it run.